Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at home. This is the week 4 and lecture number 1. We have started the chapter number 4, that is about the pollutants and the effects. Here are some objectives like the concept of the deforestation and to describe the lack of natural resources. What is deforestation? As the name indicates, that deforestation is the permanent removal of the trees to make the room for something. Students, forests are our great wealth. They bring favorable changes in the climate and they stop the storm and other unusual effects of the environment. They are the source of many useful materials such as wood, resins, medicines, gums. They prevent the soil erosion. They provide the habitat to a wide variety of wildlife. But unfortunately, forests are cut to meet the demands for the wood and to obtain the land for housing and the agriculture. This is all due to the overpopulation. To meet the demands of the population, we have to use the forest for this purpose. As the result, the ecosystem is also destroyed, and the destruction of the forest due to the result of the human activities is called deforestation. Here you can see in this diagram, it's a very painful, like trees are cut down and are being used for the human activities. Here you can see the large area of the forests are cut down for the human activity, for the industry, for the agriculture land, for the housing and for other purpose. Now we'll see the effects of the deforestation on the environment. Deforestation has many adverse effects on the environment, like it changes the weather and the climate, and when the forests are cut down, the rate of evaporation is reduced. And students, when the evaporation is reduced, what happens? The rain is also reduced. Deforestation decreases the carbon dioxide consumption by the plants. So, in the environment, the carbon dioxide is increased and the level of oxygen is decreased. This is the major effect of the deforestation on the environment. And this leads to the increased greenhouse effect and the global warming. So we can say that due to deforestation, the temperature of the earth is rising day by day, and this is also the effect of the deforestation. You can see there are many impacts of deforestation, like on environment. There are economically many impacts, there are socially many impacts on the human beings. Now we'll see the effects of the deforestation on the wildlife. What is wildlife? First of all, I'll tell you what is wildlife. All the non-cultivated plants and the non-domesticated animals of an area are collectively called wildlife. And deforestation destroys the habitats of the wildlife, so it can lead to the direct loss of the wildlife. The removal of the trees and the other types of vegetation reduces the available food, shelter and breeding of the habitat. So animals may not be able to find the adequate shelter, water, food, so cannot survive. So their natural balance of wildlife is also disturbed. Here is the symbolic picture of the deforestation. On one side you can see there are green trees, birds are flying and the animals are enjoying on the earth, but in the second half you can see the temperature of the earth is increased, plants are not there, animals are not there, so we can see the effects of the deforestation on our earth. Students, for more visual concepts, you can click to this link and you can see the video. Here is the assignment. You have to write a note on the deforestation and its effects on the wildlife. You can take the help from the book page number 53 and 54. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.